Hello everyone, welcome to TeknoDestek channel. Today I will try to help you how you can change your settings on ZTE 168A, which coming with Digiturk service. Also Türk Telekom, Super Online, Vodafone can give you this modem. This modem is VDSL2 and have dual Wi-Fi. First, you have to connect your modem with Wi-Fi or with Ethernet cable. After that, you have to open a web page, and on this web page, you have to go 192.168.1.1 address. When you go to this address, you will see login page like this. In here, you have to write your login name and password. If you got this modem from Digiturk, your account name will be admin and your password must to be Digiturk. And after you type this, you have to click at Outro Match is mean login. So you have to log in on this page first. After you log in, you will see this page. On this page first, you have to click on Kolay Kurulum. It's like a wizard. After you click on Kolay Kurulum, here you have to click on the next. After that, you will get this page. In this page here, kullanıcı adı and şifre. Kullanıcı adı is mean your account name. Şifre is mean your password. So you will have one account name and password. This account name and password you will get from your Digiturk. After you get your account name and password, you have to type in here. Kullanıcı adı mean, like I said, it's account name and şifre is password. You have to type your account name and password. After you do that, all you have to do, click on ileri is mean next, and it will be done. Your modem will work after that. After you click on that, you will get your connection and everything will work. If you have any problem, you can call 11858 call center. If you have any problem or any question, anytime you can call this number and they will help you. Please don't forget to like this video and thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.